ship videos and my door video. I hope you enjoyed this train video. It's so much fun. Even my TV's like over there. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Let's drive it. You see, look at all these trains already. Oh, I like all of it. Let's go to freight trains. They should be good.
Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing.
Which train should I choose? Let's choose this one. It looks like a nice steam engine. Oh yeah, it is. Let's go. Wow! I like that. This is one of my videos, so you can check it out on Mason UB6. That's my YouTube logo name. You could check it out anytime if you want to, and it's very fun. Let's go right back into the video. In this one steam engine, it's also you can be a passenger train at any time. Just check it out on any time, and then you have a very perfect day. This is a steam engine. Those are so much cars. I think there's 1,000. A 100. But why is a train going very slow, RDK? I like the horn. Look at the wheels move. That's scary. I was like, oh my god, stop putting me in there. Do my own job. I have to run this steam engine. Steam engine! Woo! So basically, this is a steam engine. Oh my god, this is going very fast. Yes! Yes! Make more! Go faster! Yeah! Let's go! Yes! Go click on steam engine! Let's go! Woo! Oh my god, how fast does this train even go? Fast train, isn't it? Why am I upside down? Okay, that was just awkward. Let's specific railroad. Well, steam engine. Imagine if the steam engine didn't have this. Like the coal car. It would just be like this steam engine only, and then it's producing cars. Hey, black, black. And that is the end of this video. One more second was please search out my YouTube logo name, Mason UB6, and then this video is done. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.